Welcome to How to Solve.
Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to turn off time-sensitive notifications for Snapchat. Let's go! You may find having time-sensitive notifications turned on for Snapchat getting quite annoying sometimes. Of course, there are some benefits for it, yes, but in this video, I'll show you how you can turn them off. Of course, in the future, you can always go and turn them back on if you want. So, firstly, what we need to do is close off our Snapchat, and you'll need to go and open up your device settings right here. So go and tap on settings. Then what you need to do next is scroll down to your settings like this. Keep scrolling until you go into the section for Snapchat. If you're struggling to find it, you can always go and use the search bar feature here at the very top and just search for Snapchat. I can just click on this option to open. Once I'm inside Snapchat, I will then locate the notification settings in here and go ahead and tap on notifications. As you can see here, we've got this section called Always Deliver Immediately. We also have time sensitive notifications. So if you want, this is how we can toggle it off. And it does say time and sensitive notifications are always delivered immediately and remain on the lock screen for an hour. So this can be quite useful, but of course, if you want to go and turn it off, that is how you can do that. So the next time that you're going to get a notification for Snapchat, it is not going to be time sensitive. That's it. Very simple. Just a few steps on how we can turn off time sensitive notifications in Snapchat.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.